If you thought you can't make cafe style coffee in your home, we're gonna change that today by making a hot cappuccino. Hey everyone, I'm Harshdeep Singh. Today we are going to make hot cappuccino coffee. So let's get started. For making cappuccino, we will take instant coffee powder and in this we will add sugar to it. Well, in this, we will add some like warm water, just a little. Now, well, whisk it. Okay, it's ready. We have to use full fat milk. Warm the milk a little bit. Milk is warm and ready. Pour half of the milk in another pan. And now boil the another half. Okay. Making a cappuccino is very easy. Now let's assemble. Wow, it's look amazing now. Wow, it's look delicious. Amazing. Coffee is an Italian dish, but it very like in India. Now milk. Wow, it look amazing. Nice. 3 cups of coffee. Now let's put it. That's it. Wow, coffee looks amazing. Now decorate with the chocolate. Chocolates are so delicious. Now our coffee is ready. Now let's taste the dish and tell me what's the taste.
Wow, it's delicious.
Thank you very much. And thank you for watching this video.